Good morning. Welcome back to the engine shed, the home of the Heritage Railway, the Tyne Valley line. I am Steve, your host, without the most. Right, as you may have known, I haven't been able to get a lot of work done in the shed. However, as you can see, all along here till we get to there has been disconnected or dismantled, and over there, from there all the way around has been dismantled. Now then, Tony, I liked your video yesterday. I did get a chance to look at it. As you know, I've had one of those, well, yeah, week and a bit, where I've not been able to do anything in the shed, really much. The wife came out of hospital on Monday night, and she's got to go back Tuesday, I think it's Thursday, and she's back in on Friday for the operation. But she's not well. She puts a brave face on it, bless her, but she's not well. So I've only got a couple of days I can do any work in here next week, because I'm down in the hospital with her, as I say, on Tuesday. I think it's Thursday, but she's in Friday at 7 o'clock or 7:30 for the operation. Hopefully, if it's not cancelled. I do hope it's not cancelled. That's my personal news. Now let's go on to some fun. As you can see, those boxes there, not that one, that one, that one, and that one there, are my personal collection. Now, nothing to do with the railway. They're just my buzzies, my collection. I might use one or two on the layouts occasionally, like I do with the first buzz, but they're more first buzz, or the company's to do with first buzz. Most of them's pre-first buzz. Everything over there is disconnected, I'm pleased to say. Really, all I've got to do now is dismantle this bit here. That's all I've got to do. But I've got to sort some more boxes out to box all this up, which is easier said than done. Or easier done, yeah, said than done. The plans are, as soon as I can get this done, they should come in and do the floor, and then build the false floor, and then start reassembling the new layout, which, as you know, is going to be totally different to the last one I've just dismantled. It is at the moment going to be double decked, i.e. scenics on top, and underneath will be whatever you call them. I'm terrible. Where you run the trains in and run other trains out. There is a name for it, and a lot of people use them, but I can't remember what the name is at the moment. It'll come to me. In a real system, it'd be a goods yard, but it's not a goods yard. It's oh yeah. Okay, let's change the subject. Hopefully I can start building the layout. Hopefully I've still got to get in touch with the you know who's to arrange a new date, but hopefully, touching wood, I can start building the layout around Easter. Easter Saturday, Easter Sunday. No, I don't work Sundays. Easter Saturday, Bank Holiday Monday. Maybe, hopefully. We've got 2 weeks. I can have that down this week, in between taking the wife to the hospital. And once I've boxed everything up, I've then got to move everything out. So yeah, hopefully we can go in next week to do the floor. The wife will only be in for the day, but she won't be able to lift or carry anything, and won't be able to do anything really. So once she wakes up until she goes to bed or until she goes to sleep, I shall be in the house with her, obviously. But yeah, we're getting there now. It was a shock what happened, but hey, life sends these curveballs and we adapt to them. Well, some of us do. So really there's not much I can really say. I've got to sort the electrics out, but I want to take this out first and then sort the electrics out after the floor's down, because I don't want any wiring to go anywhere near the new drainage. So yeah, that's 1 or 2. You realise this time last year, to this date last year, we were still under a foot of snow. Yeah, weird, ain't it? We've only had a bit of snow this year compared to last year and the year before. But hey, who's moaning? I ain't. I've got enough problems. That's it really. I'm going to get some more boxes in now to get them boxed up and get them put away, so I can finish dismantling that. Then we're going to have to find room for everything else. The wood is outside, or will be outside. The plywood I'm going to keep in here until they come to do the floor. Hopefully we won't have much rain. Hopefully I can get it done whilst the wife's recuperating in the house. But you never know. If not, then it will be delayed. Right, some good news. It looks like the holiday is still on. So from the 10th of April, I shan't be in the shed. We're down Cornwall, and then we visit Plymouth. Oh yeah, Plymouth, my model shop. Well, my second model shop. Oaks is my main model shop. I still intend to do the birthday giveaway in September. I don't care if I get 500. I'm going to do my birthday giveaway. So if you're watching the channel and you've not subscribed, then if you want to subscribe, it's up to you. I'm not going to force you. I'm not even going to say If I get 500 by September the 14th, I'll have a giveaway, because whatever happens, I'm having a giveaway on my birthday. So that's some good news, I suppose. So I'll be talking to Chris Models and Oaks to see if they can give me a bit of a better discount. So if they can, then I shall get better. I'm determined to get an engine. Don't get me wrong. I pay for it myself. I don't care, and some other stuff. But if they do offer me a good discount or a better discount, then obviously I'm going to use that discount on upgrading whatever I'm getting. So if they say, oh, we'll give you 25%, then the 25% instead of the usual 15% will give me extra up. If that makes any sense. It does in my brain, but I don't know. It might not make sense to anybody else. Now, tomorrow is Mothering Sunday, so I'd like to wish all the mums a happy Mothering Sunday. So if you've got a wife and she's a mum, then send her my regards. If you've got a wife and she ain't a mum, send her my regards. Graham, it was nice to see you on YouTube. When I saw you, I can't remember because it's been one of those weeks. But I like the way good yards, heritage yards looking. Tony, I like the way you've done your police station, and I love the way where you put the pub, where you've replaced the pub. Dave, it was nice to see your engines running without problems. Julian, I saw what you'd done last week, but you haven't put anything on for this week yet. As far as I know, I haven't. To be 100% honest, I haven't been able to go on the YouTube a lot because I've had other things I've got to look after, or other persons I've got to look after. But she's in bed at the moment. I don't know what time it is. It's about 8:15, 8:30. So I'll wake her up at 10 o'clock and give her antibiotics and painkillers, and I'll stay in the house then. I've still got these bits to do up there, but you saw the polystyrene last week, so I've got plenty. On that point, my friends, if you like the video, hit the thumbs up. If you don't like the video, then don't hit the thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, that's up to you. If you don't want to subscribe, again, it's up to you. I may make a video next week, but if I do, it will be before the wife wakes up, and that's if she's had her operation, because she's due to have it on Friday. So that's it really. Hope to see you next week. Can't guarantee I will, but hope to see you next week. And until then, enjoy your modelling, enjoy messing, enjoy doing what you do. Bye for now. Bye.